Fatigue is a common issue that a lot of people suffer from, but most of us have no idea what's really causing it. In this video, I'm going to show you 9 possible causes of fatigue that you might not be totally aware of. Hey there, tired friends. My name is Daniel Gonzalez, and I'm a nurse practitioner. Chances are, staying up all night watching Netflix on your ex's account is not the only reason you might be tired. And you're wondering what else may be going on. Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you 9 possible causes of fatigue that you might not even know about. Some of the conditions we will discuss can be serious if left untreated. Therefore, it is important that you see a healthcare provider if you're experiencing fatigue on a regular basis. Alright, first up we have is anemia. Anemia is a condition that occurs when your body doesn't make enough red blood cells or they don't work properly. This can lead to symptoms such as tiredness, weakness, and shortness of breath. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's important to see a doctor and get tested for anemia. The treatment depends on what type of anemia you have, but may include iron supplements or medications such as folic acid. And if you're dating someone anemic, hey, look at the bright side. They'll be too tired to cheat as they will probably be at home asleep or eating ice. Another possible cause of fatigue is hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a condition that occurs when your thyroid gland doesn't produce enough thyroid hormone. This can lead to symptoms such as fatigue, weight gain, depression, and constipation, which are still not good excuses to miss leg day. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's important to see a doctor and get tested for hypothyroidism. A simple blood test can help diagnose this. The next possible cause of fatigue I want to discuss is depression, which often leads to fatigue because depressed people lose interest in activities they used to enjoy doing, such as biking or swimming. Therefore, a less active lifestyle contributes to fatigue even further due to the lack of exercise, which would normally keep you energized throughout the day. And if you're not careful, depression can even start affecting your relationships, but maybe not as much as leaving your cell phone unlocked. The fourth condition we'll be discussing is mononucleosis, also known as mono, or the kissing disease. Mono is a viral infection that can lead to fatigue and swollen lymph nodes in your neck. So next time you see someone with a t-shirt that says, "Kiss me, I'm Irish," think twice about it. Treatment for mononucleosis includes plenty of rest and fluids, so it's important to listen to your body and take it easy while you're feeling tired. Over time, as your body heals, you should start to feel more energetic. Until then, try to get much sleep as possible and conserve your energy. The fifth possible cause of fatigue that we'll be talking about today is sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a condition where people stop breathing while sleeping for short periods of time, which leads them to wake up throughout the night without realizing it because their brains doesn't register these episodes consciously until morning when they wake up feeling exhausted. It's funny how the brain can't record these episodes, but it can track all of your embarrassing memories. Priorities, I guess. Additional symptoms can include morning headaches and lack of concentration. However, a sleep study can help diagnose this problem. Next, we have chronic pain. Chronic pain is an ongoing pain that lasts longer than 6 months, not to be confused with acute pain, which is usually sharp and sudden, kind of like getting slapped at the Oscars. While chronic pain can lead to fatigue, it can also interfere with your ability to sleep, which can make you feel even more tired. So if you're dealing with chronic pain, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor about it. They can help you find ways to cope with the pain and make sure you're still able to live a more functional life. The seventh possible cause of fatigue is pregnancy. Pregnancy can lead to fatigue due to the changes your body's going through. Most pregnant women feel more tired in their second trimester than they do in their first trimester. If you are pregnant and feeling fatigue, make sure to talk to your OBGYN about it. Do it before your baby drains you of all your energy. I mean, who are we kidding? They're going to drain you of your energy even after you have them. The eighth possible cause of fatigue is polycystic ovarian syndrome, or PCOS. PCOS affects women who have excess levels of androgens in their bodies, which leads them to have symptoms such as irregular periods, acne, weight gain, and infertility. By the way, if you have an infertile friend on Clomid, forgive them, for they know not what they're doing. If you are experiencing these symptoms, it is important to see a doctor and get evaluated for PCOS. Treatment includes lifestyle changes like eating healthier foods, exercising more often, as well as medication if necessary. The next possible cause of fatigue is celiac disease. Celiac disease is a condition that occurs when you eat foods containing gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. When someone with celiac disease eats gluten, their immune system responds by attacking the small intestine. It's like screaming the earth is flat at a NASA convention. This can lead to symptoms such as diarrhea, constipation, bloating, and of course fatigue. The last possible cause of fatigue is dehydration. Dehydration can occur when you don't drink enough fluids or when you lose too much fluid through sweating, diarrhea, or vomiting. Symptoms of dehydration include thirst, dry mouth, headache, and fatigue. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to drink plenty of fluids. And no, those craft beers on the weekends, they do not count. Of course, see a doctor if your symptoms persist. If you're experiencing fatigue, there are many possible causes that need to be ruled out. See your doctor if the fatigue persists for more than a few weeks. We will perform tests and determine the best course of treatment for you. Remember, many of these conditions can be treated with lifestyle changes or medication, so don't hesitate to seek help. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take care.